Duh. What are you kidding, guys? You think I'm the number 50 those? So I'm talking to you. You don't have no answer to be dumb. Person who's watching this, tell me if I'm not a nerd right now in your opinion. Everyone thinks I'm a nerd, alright? But no one knows that I am the bestest train ever. I work at the island of Vista. Go and watch Troll It. Go and watch Troll It or YouTube Kids or Thomas the Train. Watch all of our videos and make sure you subscribe and like. And ring the bell like Toby's. Like ring the bell like mine. Beep beep. And make sure to be aware of helicopters and explosions. Okay, now that's the end. Bye.